If you've ever wondered whether engine additives actually make a difference, Prolube Oil Treatment is one product that sparks a lot of curiosity. Marketed as a solution to reduce engine wear, friction, and heat, it claims to make engines run smoother and even extend their lifespan. That sounds impressive, but does it live up to the hype? Or is it just another bottle of promises? Prolube has gained serious attention, ranking as the #1 bestseller in engine and oil fluid additives on Amazon, which definitely adds credibility. According to the company, it works not only on everyday cars, but also on trucks, motorcycles, and even industrial machines, which makes it sound like a universal fix. Many drivers report adding it at every oil change to maintain consistency, and some say it helps improve acceleration, lowers noise, and prevents overheating. In fact, customer feedback often mentions as much as a 90% reduction in engine chatter, smoother rides, and noticeably quieter performance. On the other hand, not every review is glowing. Some drivers claim they didn't see much of a difference at all, raising questions about whether results depend on engine condition, driving habits, or expectations. What's also worth noting is that while many praise its effectiveness, Prolube is still an additive, and no additive can completely replace proper maintenance or high-quality oil. That makes the debate interesting. Is Prolube a reliable long-term solution, or just a temporary improvement that feels bigger than it is? With so many mixed experiences, it seems to fall somewhere in between, a product that works well for some engines but doesn't perform miracles for everyone. Whether it's worth trying may come down to how much value you place on quieter rides and potentially reduced wear compared to the cost of sticking with just oil changes.